Hello everyone, my name is Kayla. I am the founder and CEO of So Magical, and I want to welcome you to the 2022 So Magical Expo. So Magical Expo is a sewing and crafting convention that's held annually at the Gaylord Palms Resort and Convention Center here in Kissimmee, Florida. It's an immersive 3-day event curated specifically for creatives. Each year, the expo hosts more than 50 classes to provide the ultimate crafting experience. So Magical hosts a variety of sewing classes appealing to different skill levels and interests. Classes range from making a simple circle skirt to more advanced projects like shoulder bags. Most of our classes are hands-on. Some instructors hold presentations for more in-depth learning experience on topics such as interfacing 101 and vintage styling. Despite the name, So Magical offers so much more than just sewing classes. Resin, wood workshops, scrapbooking are just to name a few. No matter your skill level, age, or gender, So Magical offers a variety of classes to pique any crafter's interest. A more detailed list of courses and their descriptions can be found at the So Magical Expo website. Outside of offering a wide array of hands-on classes, the So Magical Expo also hosts fashion shows, raffles, and an exclusive shopping experience with our top vendors. Donating some of your unwanted scraps, fabrics, or supplies to our D-Stash Bash could earn you points that can later be used towards new treasures. So Magical Expo tickets currently are on sale. No class passes start at $10 online, and weekend passes start at $120. Early bird check-in begins Thursday, November 3rd from 6 to 8 p.m. We want to ensure that your visit is magical by offering discounted hotel rooms and parking rates while staying at the Gaylord Palms Resort. In addition to discounted hotel rates, SME will be providing unlimited access to the So Magical Lounge. The lounge is a great place to work on projects, relax, chat, and sip some coffee, provided free of charge, of course. Enjoy your stay by visiting the on-site water park, limitless dining options, and free shuttles to Disney. So, you're ready to explore or enhance your creativity? Great! Just go to sewmagicalexpo.com and purchase your tickets for our upcoming expo beginning November 4th, 2022. Then make sure to join our Facebook group to learn when class signups will be kicking off. Although we would love to have you participate in all 3 days of fun, we understand that you may have other obligations. Day passes can be purchased on our website at sewmagicalexpo.com. No need to fret if you're unable to take a course due to full capacity or classes overlapping. Some of our instructors offer multiple sessions so that everyone has the opportunity to experience all of our amazing courses. Refer to our class schedule for additional class times. Don't worry if you don't have your own sewing machine. Sewing machines will be available for rent at the expo. Rental reservations can be made in advance on our website with the option to reserve by class, day, or for the entire weekend. Class kits are required for most hands-on classes and are available to purchase once you sign up for your desired courses. Kits will be provided at the beginning of each class. We are delighted that you have taken an interest in becoming a vendor or teacher at So Magical Expo. To become a vendor or teacher, please visit our website and complete the Get Involved form. Someone on our team will notify you within the allotted time frame regarding the acceptance or denial of your application. we are excited to announce that we are expanding the So Magical Expo lineup for 2023. As some of you might know, we have partnered with the Gaylord Texan Resort to host our first expo in the Dallas-Fort Worth, Texas area. We are pleased to inform you that we will be taking So Magical to sea as well. Join us as we set sail on Royal Caribbean Cruise Line, filled with exploration and relaxation, of course. Stay tuned for future details on this epic seaside voyage. Thank you so much for helping me grow So Magical Expo, and I can't wait to see you in person this year.